Hey guys, welcome to WPZA tutorials. Today we're going to be going through how to actually make gravity forms a lot more intelligent. So we're going to be using a little feature called Conditional Logic. I'll take you through the process of setting up a simple conditional logic for a sales inquiry form. Very basic, but by the end of this video you'll know how to make more intelligent forms and how to integrate them into your website to obviously try get the right kind of information from your potential clients. I always find that the more intelligent the form, if somebody goes through that process of actually filling out that form and actually sending you the information, it's probably a lot more of a detailed lead as opposed to just a quick contact form. But let's go through the process now. We started here on the desktop of our WPZA install. This is the install we use for all our training, but I've already created the form. So if we go look here, forms, I've created the sales inquiry form over here. So if we click on the sales inquiry form, literally it's a very simple form. It's got name, email, it's got am I interested in kettles or toasters, and then a bit of a drop down for each of them. Currently this is what it looks like. So if we see the sales inquiry, I've got the first name, last name, email, I've got a radio options there for kettles or toasters, and then I have kettles or toasters. Now this is a very basic example, but when I have somebody who does a sales inquiry for the purpose of this form, I'd like them to either be interested in kettles or either be interested in toasters, and I'd like to just take that down one more level. So if we go back to the form, so currently we can see everything. If we go back to the form, very simple how to do the conditional logic. We open the kettle section, and you'll see that there's an advanced tab right at the end. We click on advanced. We say enable conditional logic. It's the last option at the bottom. Show this field all of the following match. So you can obviously have quite a few conditions. We say toaster selection. I'm interested in kettles. Done. Very simple. I close that form. I go into the next one and I say advanced and I say enable conditional logic. Same option as before. I'm interested in toasters. I close that. I update the form. I go back to the sales inquiry form. I refresh the page. And there we go. So now at the moment, all it says is name, email. So we would literally go info@wpza.co.za. Oh, sorry about that. And we go, I'm interested in kettles. Literally, there's the kettle selection. I can go select either stovetop or electric, or I say, okay, I'm interested in toasters. I can either have a 2-slice, a 4-slice, or a 6-slice. I've never seen a 6-slice, but what the hell, I'm interested in one. So I click on I'm interested in toasters. I'm interested in a 6-slice, and I submit it. And there we go. That's how simple it is to do conditional logic in WordPress. Yes, that was a very basic example, and I'm hoping at a later stage to start showing you guys a lot more advanced options when it comes to it. It's great using conditional logic. Say you've got a form where you want to purchase, say, computer parts. So literally, I'm building this computer. I want this CPU. I want this RAM. So literally, I could choose a certain motherboard that can only take this kind of CPU, so you can get really granular with what you're trying to look for. But there we go, guys. That's how easy it is to do conditional logic and gravity forms. If you like our channel, please subscribe to our channel. If you like a video, please like it, and please share our video if with other people who you think would find this video interesting. We have links below to other training videos and to gravity forms itself. Chat to you guys soon. Cheers. Bye.